how we are. Da 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 da.
Back here with the random. My phone's ringing.
Oh God, Taylor. Zarin. What's wrong with you, man? Ooh, who is it?
887144.
Don't answer it. Don't answer it.
Thanks. Who is this?
Who are you texting?
I don't know. 1446.
Say you're welcome. Who is this?
1446. Oh, it was Carla.
Ew! Be all like, oh, my name is Kurt. No, don't say Curtis. Say, oh, my name is Jason. No, think of a cool name.
My name is Zeke.
Ooh, that's a cool name.
The misadventures of. Actually, it's the random misadventures of Stinkbug and Zarin.
I thought you forgot your name for a second
I
there.
did not forget my name. My name is. Oh, how did I forget my name?
You forgot my name and I forget your name.
Am I wearing a hat?
No.
Oh.
Doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't. I have a question. What are we going to do today?
What we do every day. Try to take over the world.
And save people from evil. Oh my gosh, there's a baby bird in here.
Oh my God, Bear, let's go pet it.
Okay. See? The mommy bird sits on her birdies. My phone's ringing again.
Hi, Birdie, don't hurt me.
Oh God!
Oh my God!
Is this recording?
Yes! We are wimps! That scared the crap out of me!
Hi. Hey.
But hey, Hattie. No! That'll be disgusting. Say, how are you today?
I just said hey.
Oh,
Alright,
fine.
onward to mail.
And not trying to scare birds. Did you know how much that scared me?
Scared me too, like flying at us.
I know. There's your lamb. Zigbar.
Zigglypuff.
Zigglypuff. That's not Pokemon, dude.
No, it's Jigglypuff. But you see, I don't know. Da da da.
Da 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 da.
Da da.
Oh no, Zarin! Another random sword!
Oh my God! Oh my God! I don't have Barney this time. You can't kill Barney!
I can kill your horsey!
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
The
Paris.
You can kill Pooh the Bop. The God.
Oh God! Oh God! I'm ringing! Oh! Stop killing the camera guy, Taylor. Zarin, you're killing the camera people. I'm ringing.
You're ringing.
Yeah, I got a message from Adam. Carla. Oh my God! I got a message from Carla.
Oh my God, we're safe.
Hold on. Hold on, it'll be funny.
Oh my God, I got a message too. From Carla.
Oh my God, let's look.
Okay.
Hey, Kenna. Oh my God, you're a loser. She says,
What'd she say?
hey, Kenna.
How do you know me?
From my awesome cousin.
Wait, what? From
My
From
cool cousin?
my friend who.
Hey, viewing world. This is my phone, and it's really awesome.
Cool. To your school.
Skull. Did you just say? Oh, who used to? I was gonna say,
Slice.
Slice and dice and punch and punch.
Okay. Oh.
Getting my sword.
youngin.
Huh?
He's just a youngin.
What is?
My horsey.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Wait, we're friends now, aren't we?
Yes.
We had an official peace treaty. Ow!
Mm.
We had an official peace treaty.
We did, and you killed the camera guy again.
Something needs to happen here.
Yeah.
What happened?
Attack of the bunnies?
Attack of the bunny.
Or the lamb. Hey, lamb before time. Would you eat the sword? Do you think it would? Oh my god. I dubbed thee about to be dead. Oh, I didn't get that.
Yeah, another chance.
You did?
Okay, who's my friend? Bobo.
No. Wait, what did it say?
Wait, who's my friend? Who used to go to our school but then moved?
Dan, me, the bye. Or Holly King.
Holly King. Well, she's not my friend anymore.
Eat it, please. I dare you.
Wait, clear.
Your goat's trying to eat my thing, and it's not a goat.
Okay.
Stop trying to eat the sword of utility, you little monkey.
Oh my god. Okay, I got an idea.
Hmm.
Okay, we should go to the magical world of Cloneville. It's just like this, and we have to fly to get there.
It's just like this, and
Yeah,
you
I'll
had to
show
fly to
you.
get there?
I'll show you how to get there.
How do we fly? Neither of us have magical flying objects.
Oh, you just wait. Hey, give me the camera. Okay. Alright. This way.
This way?
This way. We have to get on our magical blue things of flyingness. I'm not tall enough.
I am.
Mwah.
I'll get yours in a second. Watch out.
I'm watching.
Awesome.
Okay, let's do this.
Do we have to leave all of our weapons?
No,
Okay. Then why'd you set yours down?
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. Why are you arguing with me?
Because you're the camera guy, and you didn't bring us donuts.
I have donuts in my house.
Well, you didn't
My
bring
phone's ringing again.
them. Here, give it to me. No, the camera.
Oh, no.
Fine, don't bring me.
I'll give you my phone.
I don't know why, but okay. What does it say?
This old. You have to look at this.
Okay, then how did you get my number? Because I was never friends with Holly. Someone else gave it to her. I don't know who though.
Yeah. Okay. We're jerks. Alright. Let's do this. We're gonna fly, Kenna.
Hold on. Okay, someone else gave it to her, and I don't know who it was. Period.
Da da da. Kenna sent a text message to someone whose name cannot be said on here.
Carla.
Ah.
Hey, if you want to know, it's Carla.
Ah.
It's Carla.
Ah.
So if you want, you can abduct her. It's really funny. She's too fat though, so I don't think you can.
And we're gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
We can get
We're putting this on
sued.
YouTube.
We can get sued.
No, she has nothing to do with you.